Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you the very easy way how to maximize your Shopify store for higher conversion. Let's optimize our Shopify store, right? So you're expending money into ads or driving organic traffic, but you're a small percentage of visitors and buying. The gap is where your profit is hiding. So the average Shopify conversion rate is around 1.5%. So with the right optimization, you can easily double that. So first of all, of course, you need, of course, to have the product page, because this is where the visitor decides to buy or leave. So every element here must be perfect. So if you focus into Shopify, go into your online store, and let's say I'm going to go for the option that says themes. Inside themes, I'm going to go for edit this specific theme. And into the upper section, I'm going to click into homepage. I'm going to change this for product, default product. So here, the visuals. We wanted to use at least 5 high quality photos showing different angles and scales. Crucially, you wanted, of course, to use a short looping product video. Seeing the product in action dramatically increases purchase confidence. Second, the actual copywriting. So here, for example, I have this grid. I'm going to change this for carousel to make this look a little bit much more interesting, like this. There we go. I save this. Now, don't list features like contains X material. Instead, focus into benefits. For example, instead of going for this material, you go for keeps your drink cold for 24 hours, or saves you 30 minutes every morning. Use bullet points for easy skimming. This is going to be really important to take that in mind, right? And third, this is the call to action. Your add to the cart button must have a contrasting color that stands out from the rest of the page. So if you check your mobile view, the button should be one of the very first things the users see. So you want to take that in mind. If you don't like the current theme that you are actually using, you can try out directly from the theme library, or you can go for some popular free themes that you can try them out into your store. So in my case, I wanted to go for the option that says to visit the theme store. I go for the option that says free, and here into free you can see that there's a lot of elements. You can try them out for free, of course. So I just select the element that I like the most, that I think can be really adequate for my store. Now, we can use built-in applications to offer a cross-sell right into the product page, like they frequently bought together. This immediately increases your average order value. This is totally optional. Now, next thing to do, of course, is that we needed, of course, to integrate trust and urgency. So the visitors are constantly asking, can I trust this store? You have to answer this store immediately, right? So you want to take that in mind. So displayed customers review prominently, especially those with customer photos and videos. This validates your product quality. Something else that you can do if you haven't had your first client, for example, is that you can be your own client. That means that if I go directly into my online store, what I can do is just to go directly into a product that I currently have. I select it, and I can start by adding an actual review on my own. So I can tell people that this, for example, is really trustworthy, and they don't have to worry about all of that. So the trust signal number 2 is security. You clearly display secure badges like the Visa, PayPal, SSL logs near the add to the cart button, which usually appears here, or into this element where usually is the food element. So finally, you wanted to create the urgency. So you can use a subtle countdown timer for limited time sales, or only 5 left in stock, for example. This can be really useful for people who can purchase a product and they don't know if they can trust it or buy it. But usually the urgency of there's only 2 or 4 left, this can be really useful for people who want to purchase this kind of elements, right? And lastly, the streamline and the checkout process. Slow checkout kills a conversion. This is going to be really important to take that in mind, because for every 1 second delay in page load time, your conversion rate can drop by 7%. So simplify forms. Use a Shopify built-in optimized checkout. Only ask for essential information. For example, offer the guest checkout. Don't force a sign out during the purchase. So make sure that when you check out your section of the checkout, you can always go here into the editor element, homepage, And here into the home page, you can see that here we have the product, here's the cart checkout and the customer action. And here into the checkout, you want to make this as simple as possible. You want to take that in mind. See, for example, I have the context here, has the delivery, the shipping method, the payment. Try to make this a little bit much more easier to succeed, right? And there we go. So lastly, what I can do, of course, is the cart recovery, for example. So for shoppers who still leave, set up an automated 3-part email sequence to remind them about the items they left behind, sometimes with a small discount code to incentivize them back. If you remember your purchases you made from Amazon and you didn't purchase one for any reason, you might remember that you have received some emails that says that we forgot something through our cart. So you wanted to do exactly the same thing here into Shopify, and for that what you can do is to go into the option that says applications. I type the word Shopify and search Shopify into the Shopify App Store, so I can look out for additional applications created for the Shopify, for example the Shopify email, or you can do the email marketing as I just told you before. So this and more are into all our new videos of the TechExpress. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools and how you can get started with these kind of specific elements in Shopify. Thank you once again, guys, for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you guys next time.